Alright, I've made some progress on putting in the battery, and let me get down here and take a look. As you can see, I started mounting the two smaller packs to my frame. I got those totally secured, and I even put my charging port inside my suspension here. It worked out pretty cool, so I can charge the pack. So I have the 48 volt 10 amp hour LivePo in 3 sections. That center section, all those zip ties are just temporary. I'm waiting to mount that one in place because I need to run a cable for my rear derailleur, and I haven't bought that cable yet, so I'm going to wait on mounting this center pack. But as you can see, I have wires going everywhere, but the BMS is working, everything's operable, the voltage is fine, as you can see here. It's reading 56.62 volts. It just floated down. I charged it. It's fully charged. I'm planning on mounting this up here somewhere, maybe even epoxying it in place, and all these wires are going to be hidden after I get everything completely done. I've been having some issues with this key switch though. Every time I turn it on, I think it's arcing inside of it, and it's wearing out over time. So I think I'm going to have to replace this with something else. So I'm going to be looking for something that can handle at least 35 amps without burning out. This is only really rated for 20 amps, so I've been overdoing it. But as you can see, I got the 2 smaller battery packs mounted. I rubber taped them, and I taped them to the frame. They have some foam, styrofoam that they're resting on. It's all tight in place. They're not going anywhere. But that's where I'm at so far. I still need to do a lot. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do with neating up all these wires. But I'm going to leave the controller up here and hopefully get this display mounted up on top of it, and I'll kick the video back in once I have some more progress. This is Scott signing out. Alright, Scott back here. I got some more updates. As you can see, I got a chain on the bike now. I went up to the bike shop and I had them throw everything in place there and put the new cable on, back up to my 8-speed shifter, and get it all up and working. So now that I got all that taken care of and I have my my new shifter cable run down my frame, I can close up this main battery pack. So now what I'm going to do is go to the store and get some more rubber tape, and I'm going to start taking off all these temporary zip ties and start permanently mounting the battery in there, and then I can start cleaning up all the wiring and get my watts up meter epoxied in place. And I think I'm going to actually get rid of this key switch while I'm doing all that. Probably incorporate a regular toggle switch or something. Still contemplating what I want to put into the system. But it's great to be pedaling the bike again. It makes a big difference. I mean, having just an electric motor is good and all, but there comes a time when you just need to pedal, especially the uphills, just to get momentum. It's just, that's what a bicycle's for, and I'm happy that I have my pedals back. But I'm gonna get this system closed up, get it looking a little more neat, a little more professional, and I'll start doing the waterproofing after I have it all neatened up. I'll kick some video back in later on. Thanks.